So the first thing that you're going to need is my press-on nails. Use some nail clippers. Depending on what shape nail you're going with, you are going to need nail clippers. If your nails just so happen to be longer than the press-on nails, you're gonna need it. If I was doing square long, I probably wouldn't need to clip my nails, but because we are going with the coffin shape, we will definitely need this. And I'm gonna show you why. Let me see. So finger, but I wanted to show. Okay, so like right here, this nail is made for this finger, and right here on the side, like if you can see, like right there, you can see my natural nail poking out on the side of that. And I am going to clip my nails down so that that cannot be seen. You're gonna want to take a piece of tissue paper and add alcohol to it to remove any oils from your natural nail. You don't want to use a cotton ball with alcohol because you'll get the little furries and it will stick to your nails. So you want to use a piece of paper towel and apply some alcohol to that paper towel to remove any type of oils that may be on your fingers. To stay on when there's oil present. So we want to kind of remove that oil. Clip, clip, clip. All right. And you can use your clippers to create that style. So like technically all I had to do was come in and basically cut off the sides at an angle, because the coffin nails, they taper inwards. So if I would have just cut it like that, now you can't see the side of my nails and I can keep the length. However, these are see-through nails, so you're kind of going to be able to see where my natural nail is. And I personally, it's not a big deal for me cutting off my nails, so because I know they're gonna grow back and I know how to grow them back. So I'm just gonna come in and cut all of that off. Now at this point, depending on how anal you are about your nails, I'm not that type of person, you could come in with a nail file and smooth those out. I don't typically do that on my personal nails because the press-on nail is going to be covering that, and it's not a big deal to me. Sometimes people don't like it, they like everything to be cohesive. I'm not that type of person when it comes to my personal nails. I make sure I take care of my clients' needs, and the rest is... Okay, back on topic. So now we're going to take our nail buffer and we are going to buff. Now, when you buff your nails, you should not be buffing to take off the whole entire nail plate. Like, you just want to remove the shine. You want to remove the cuticle. And when I say cuticle, I can show you on this. Cuticle is, do you see that white stuff on this nail ground down right there? That is a cuticle. If I took my finger and I scratched up, it is going to come up. Now, you can get a manicure and this will take it all away. Or you can have it drilled out. But because you are putting your press-on nails on at home, you're going to want to take your buffer and buff it out. Now, it would be better if you have cuticles like this. It would be better to do this after you wash your hands and soak your hands, because that skin, it's just basically skin, is softer, so it is easier to remove.
So it is removed, it is gone, and now the nail will sit up there. So back to the video. So let me just go up here and finish buffing all of these. I'm probably going to speed it up at this point. Okay, let me just say this. It is extremely hard to do this on yourself and record at the same time. I'm like literally struggling here, because I want to make sure I'm still in the picture. I also want to make sure I'm getting the nail done right. I really need a manicure.
Another little piece of paper towel, and we're going to spray that again with alcohol. And this time we are removing any dust from buffing. If I touch my nail, because I know at one point I had went like that, and now the oil that is on the bottom of this hand is now on that nail. So we're just going to remove that really quick. This is going to make sure that these nails are going to stay on. And when I say stay on, like, you're literally probably going to have to soak them off or cut them off, because they're going to grow out with the natural nail bed. All right, so I'm gonna let that dry. Now, while my nails are drying, we're gonna talk about the glue. Depending on how long you want your nails to last, depends on how much glue you should be using. If you only want to wear the nails for one night, I probably suggest not using the glue, maybe using the the nail tabs, which you can take those off and put them on easily. Or you're only gonna need just a little bit of glue, because too much and they're gonna stay on for a very long time. So I kind of want these to stay on for a while, so I'm gonna use a buttload of glue. All right, so I think we're ready to start. Now, I always place, when I'm doing acrylic nails, I would place the glue on the actual nail. But because these aren't acrylic nails and I'm not sure how far down to go and I want to make sure everything's covered, I'm going to actually apply the glue to my nail bed.
Like this, and I'm going to apply that, making sure that I'm covering. You don't want to get the glue on your skin, so you want to remove that before it dries, but I'm just going to come down here and make sure it's all spreaded. You really want to focus on the outer edges, because that's where you don't want it to start lifting, because then water can get underneath there and become trapped, and then you got some other issues. Alright, so now we have that.
Let it sit for a little second, let it get a little tacky. I am then going to come and I place my nail like that because I want to push the air out, so it's technically touching. And then I'm going to place it down and push up, and I'm going to slide it up under my actual cuticle. I'm going to come and remove that glue from right there on the skin and on top of that nail, so that it does not look tacky in the area. And I'm going to hold it firmly in place. This glue usually dries fast. Really want to make sure those edges are on my natural nail, so that I don't get any lifting from there. All right, and it feels secure, it feels snug. So you're gonna lay it down at an angle to get all the air out of it, and you're going to push it up, because you want it to kind of go under your cuticle a little bit, but not too much, because then you're gonna have loose cuticles because they are so stretched out from all that pushing. I've seen that so many times on clients where you can tell they got manicures and someone was like literally taking the cuticle pusher and pushing it up to where this skin is so loose. So you want to be gentle when you push it up under there, because you don't want that skin to be loose. All right, so and now it looks like I went to the nail salon and got my nails done. These nails will be available on my site January 2021. They are a jelly chrome nail. Thanks for watching.